Gari na inde ekero toko gendra bakori mirimo be serikali gose aba Postal orosagere wabosongo nigo be murunganiria ase okboigo korobekana aso ange na bisiabo aso gotanyora ngere yabo asiga kimetnyi emetienyi etano nomo wate birumna nonyensemo yabo yokorosia efaida tebaranyora ngere yabo na nigo obugimo bwabeiro bokungu asibare asekerango batariko nyaro gikirania amagani yabo akira itko wasabira serikali gwesonania eliokubakonya onya talibo nigo bari muke egetambukero gyogotiga obokoreri bwabo gochia ase mwanya banto ose ase abananchi sam miyenda egotomanya
abakoreri emirimo be serikali be Postal orosagia rwabosongo nigo be murunganirie gotanyora ngeri yabo ase metienyi tano nomo.
These are post office workers. They have gone on hunger for 6 months without pay. These people, their salaries are not coming. Hawana chochote kuweka kwa mfuko.
We've not been paid salary for 6 months and yet he's declaring profit. We want our salary.
Nigo batabire nonyenseme yige korosi faida tebaranyora ngere yabo na nigo bogima bwa bakongere gwekerekere ngo batari konyara ko bagwikirania magani yabo.
Our CEO Mr. Tonui, the other day he declared profit for the corporation. He said we made a profit. But how can he declare a profit yet we are not being paid?
They don't even have where to take their loans. The loans are not coming because the statutory deductions are not coming in. These are people who also have families. All of them, they have lost, some of them have lost their families. Some have even died of anger. Some depression.
When we are being recovered, they are not remitted to the right place. All the circles are not able to pay us. Medical schemes have stalled. They are not getting the medical scheme services. Pension is not being remitted from 2015. Yes. NSSF. So this Kisii is really making workers suffer. Our workers here, they have gone. Even now, they have not even taken a cup of tea. They have really suffered.
Nigo basabire serikali gwesonania na kubakonya onye mbago chikwimuka Getambokero nigo barachikotiga obokoreri bwabo.
For the last 6 months, it is unbearable, and we are telling the management that we are not going to bear anymore. Solidarity.
We are paying rent. This is not acceptable, and we downed our tools today. Today we are saying we are not going back to work until all our 6 months salary are paid. Yes.
Kuripoti rege tasani kia Getembe, Sam, Miyenda.